Hello, and in this screencast for Apache ISIS I want to carry on talking about titles and icons and such things. Here's the application we have where we are customizing the icon based upon the value of a flag, and the code looks like this, where we take the value and it's used as a suffix. This logic, though, it would be nice to perhaps move out of this application, because I could imagine this being used elsewhere. So one way in which we can do this is to use what are called UI events. We have UI events for these three different attributes of title, icon and CSS class. So for example, if we get rid of that code there, then what we can do is we could introduce an interface. Let's create an interface called something like hasFlag, and this will just have a simple boolean isFlag, and let's make a simple object implement that interface. Now what we can do is we can have a subscriber, and I'm going to put this into the actual as a nested static class, which will be an icon subscriber. We can extend from abstract subscriber that's provided by the framework. This is a domain service. The nature of the domain is domain, which basically means it shouldn't appear in the user interface. Let's have a quick look at abstract subscriber. There's not an awful lot there. We have an event bus that's injected into us, and it's automatically registered this service with the event bus. And now what we need to do is set up an actual callback. So if I use icon UI event, again provided by the framework, using subscribe as the annotation, we use either Guava, the event bus from Guava, the Google Guava, or there's also one provided by the Axon framework. You can use either in ISIS, they both work fine. So then we could say if ev.getSource is instance of hasFlag, then we'll get hold of that, and then we can return. Then we can go ev.setIconName, so source.isFlag on, otherwise off. Okay, so that's basically centralized the logic for this rule about the on and off suffix to this event that gets broadcast automatically when the domain object is rendered. So let's try this out in the application. And we've got three objects, and we can take one of these objects and toggle it, and we can list them all, and we can see the icon is being changed, and that's coming through from the subscriber. Okay, hope that made sense. Give it a go.